I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics BB cream. This is the cushion foundation from Mars Cosmetics and I'm the shade number 01. Obviously this is a very nice BB cream and you can definitely check this one. And it has almost 4 to 5 shades. The shade range is really off if you want to use any kind of white base underneath your foundation, so you can use this one. And my shade is 01 and it's a perfect match and it doesn't clash my foundation. And this foundation is very very moisturizing and it is hydrated as well. So if you have dry skin and you will feel very cakey with each and every foundation, so you can definitely use this foundation underneath. So yes, so I really love this foundation, so that is why I always use this BB cream underneath my any kind of foundation, any kind of matte foundation. So any kind of dewy foundation, you can definitely use it. It will work with each and every foundation. So for all skin types I will recommend this foundation, so you can definitely check this one. And it's my own personal experience, that is why I'm saying it to you. Okay, so you can definitely check this foundation. And for beauty blender I'm going to use here is just a beauty blender. It's amazing one, and obviously it's a Hong Kong brand, but the quality is to die for. It's really good. So next for my foundation I'm going to use this Mars Blossom foundation. This is how the outer packaging looks like. You can definitely see it's a very nice outer packaging, and you will get all the details of foundation over here. And my shade is number 03. Obviously you can't see it because it's very light printed. So and my shade is 03 and you can definitely see it right here. Okay, and this is the inner packaging. The packaging is really luxury and I love the bottle as well. But the foundation is very matte, so if you have very oily skin you can definitely check this one, but if you have dry skin this foundation is not for you. Okay, so I'm going to use one pump because it is very high coverage. It is very medium to high coverage. You can definitely build it up if you want to have this foundation, if you want to build this foundation. Okay, if you use beauty blender you will get medium to high coverage. If you use a brush with this foundation you will get very high coverage with this one, because it's quite high coverage. Going to use same beauty blender, and this 03 shade is exact my skin tone color. So if you are my skin tone color, it is quite little bit of a yellow undertone. Okay, so you can definitely check this one also. See, it's very high coverage. You can definitely see here, you can definitely see here. And next for my concealer I'm going to use this Insight HD concealer in the shade number LN10. You can see it's very yellow undertone concealer and it's a perfect highlighting concealer for my skin tone. And you can definitely use this shade as your foundation if you are my skin tone. Okay, if you are of my skin you can definitely use this concealer as your foundation as well, because it's quite high coverage, which I'm loving. Even the applicator is really soft and smooth, which is great. So I really like it. So my contouring is also done, and the palette I have used for this contouring is this one. This is the Mars Cosmetics highlighter and contour palette in the shade number 02. So it's a very nice contouring palette. I highly recommend this one, and the shades are really pretty, and you can definitely use this concealer shades as your underneath base of your foundation. So highly recommend these. Okay, and it's really easily blendable and very long lasting. So, and it's quite budget friendly, so I love you can definitely see it's very natural. So that is why I always use this contouring. You can see it's very easily blendable, and it doesn't give you that any kind of cakey finish. You can see here and here. See, it's very natural. And next, from same palette, I'm going to use this shade as my blush on. I'm going to use my fingers. First I will warm it up, and then I'm going to apply this blush over here. And from same palette, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this shade as my highlighting concealer over here. So first I'm going to use this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution, the Big Love Roded palette. So first I'm going to use this fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use this white shade. Just set my eyelid. I'm going to use this light brown shade as my transition shade over here. And this palette is really good. If you need something professional, you can definitely check this one. It is like little bit expensive, like 2500, so you can definitely purchase it on sale, and it's really amazing palette. It's really good. You can definitely see the pigmentation. I'm going to use this K by Katrina palette, and this is the Wild and Free variant, and this is how the color story looks like. Next I'm going to use this Mars blending brush, and this is their E10 blending brush, and this is their Titans of collection. And from this palette I'm going to use this shade. This is the plum shade. And next I'm going to take this sharpen edge, and I'm going to place it right here, taking the same color and press it right here to give the sharpen edge. You can see the sharpen edge is really sharpened. And next I'm going to cut my crease, and to cut my eyelid I'm going to use this gesso brush. And just look at this edge, just look at this brush. It's very thin, so you will get very nice application of cut crease or full cut crease. Like everything is like brilliant with this brush. You can definitely see it's very neat. Okay, I'm going to use this brush. It's really nice brush. Check this one if you need something like this. It's really good. And also going to apply this shade on my lower lash line. And next I'm going to use same shade on my outer V and blend it. And from this palette I'm going to use this color and going to apply this on my cut crease area. I'm going to use this Beauty Glaze palette, and from this palette I'm going to use this pastel blue color. I'm going to apply it on my tear dot. Next I'm going to use this Forever 52 palette, and I'm going to use this shade on my tear dot. Next I'm going to use the brown liner from this palette. Okay, next I'm going to use this shade to set this liner. I'm going to use this palette now, and I'm going to use this glitter, and I'm going to use this glitter over the liner. Okay, I'm going to apply this blue kajal from Faces Canada, and this is in the shade number blue. It's a kind of a navy blue color. And for my eyebrow brush, I'm going to use this Koyu brush. It's very thin, so you will get very nice precise application. Okay, so next I'm going to use the translucent powders from this palette. I'm going to remove all excess fallout. Next I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty blusher in the shade number 06 Soft Nude, and this is the matte blusher. Just look at the shade. It is very cool, warm shade. It is not either warm and it is not either cool, so it is in between, so it will look very flawless. I could definitely use this as a blush on as well, but I'm using here as my bronzer. Next, another for my bronzer, I'm going to use this SFR Pure Color blusher in the shade number Naked Apricot. It's a very nice blusher. It's very pigmented. You know, it's very warm tone, you can definitely see, and the shade is like gorgeous. It will also suit medium skin tone, tan skin tone. If you build it up, you will get perfect blusher shade. If you like nude blusher, you can also check this one. And next I'm going to use this shade as my bronzer. All those were very cool tone and very mediumish you know, bronzer. So now I need some more warm tone, so give that warmth to my skin. See, it's very warm. And now I'm going to cut my face with this translucent powder, and I'm going to use this shade. And for my blusher, I'm going to use the same palette. And next for my highlighter, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty highlighter in the shade number 04. It's very amazing highlighter. It's really good. So for my lips, I'm going to use first this Charme Si Milano lip liner, and it's in the shade number it's not written right here because I throw the carton. So it's very less product according to the price, so I don't recommend it. But the shade is really good, but the product is like really less, very less, so it's not, you know, worth buying, I guess. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use this Just Herbs lipstick in the shade number Almond Grace. And next for my lip gloss, I'm going to use this lip gloss. This is from Mars Cosmetics. Next I'm going to use this toner from Oshia. This is amazing toner. It's really good. It will lock your makeup and it just melts everything really fine, and it's really good and affordable one. If you want to buy some toners as your makeup fixers, you can definitely check this one. Okay, it's really good. So this is the final finished look. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I hope this makeup look is very helpful for you, and be sure to like, subscribe and share, and let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look, and if you want me to create more and more makeup looks, let me know into the comment box. And you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and you can definitely follow me on Facebook. My handle is Rach Studios. Okay, so and you can definitely follow me there, join the Rachna family. And yeah, I'm very happy today because my makeup look is looking stunning, and it's like 4 hours I'm working on each and every detail of this eye makeup. I just loved it. I just love this makeup look. It's looking stunning, gorgeous in a real life as well, because I have used a lot of products, so it will take a lot of time. Now till then, take care.